Can you answer these 10 questions in just 30 seconds? Let's do it this. What's your name? What are you studying? Are you a student or working? Um, what is your favorite subject? Or what kind of work is your favorite? What is your hobby or what are your hobbies? What is your favorite game? Mm, which is your favorite place? What is your favorite food? So, if you know the answers of these questions, then please let me know in the comment box. Now, let's start our video. So, today I will describe my day, like I will describe my routine in English, which do we call comprehensible input. So now let's start our video, or let's dive into our main video. So firstly, I woke up, then I brushed my teeth. After that, I was feeling a bit sick, so I went to the doctor and I got some medicines from there, and then I just came back with my mother and I had my breakfast. And after having my breakfast, I just got I took medicines for feeling better. And apart from this, after that, I took a small nap for some time because I already told you that I was feeling sick, so that's why I took a small nap. And after that, I just woke up and I just started to study something because I was feeling that I should study. So that is why I read something about C++. As I already mentioned in some of my videos that I'm pursuing BCA, so I studied C++ because it's my second SAM. And apart from this, I made a tea for myself as well as for my family, and then I also prepared lunch with my mother. Then after that, I gave tuitions to some students, because I like to teach to them, as well as they are a good student, so that is why they just like to study with me. And apart from this, in the evening, I chopped vegetables, and right now we are preparing for dinner. That's all for today.